I just started now recently. As you can see, the car is running. That Almera. See there, it's running. The blower is hitting there. I've done the cylinder head, lacquer.